So good day everyone. Today I'm going to discuss to you the infinite sequence. Infinite sequence. An infinite sequence is a function whose domain is the set of positive integers. The function values are called the terms of the sequence. The n term a sub n is called the general terms of a sequence. So a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4 to a sub n. It is the sequence with an unlimited set of numbers as opposed to infinite sequence. So the positive even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. And the positive odd numbers are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. And the set of the square numbers are 4, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and so on. So, example number 1. Write the first 4 term of the sequence whose n term is given. E sub n is equals to 3 sub n plus 4. So, we are asked to give the first fourth term of the series. So in finding the term, so we need to change the value of a sub n to a number that is being asked. So for example, first four terms, so we change the value of a sub n to 1, 2, 3, and 4. So first a sub 1 is equals to 3 times the value of our e sub n, which is 1. So 3 times 1 plus 4, that is equals to 7. And e sub 2 is equals to 3 times 2 plus 4. So that is equals to 10. And e sub 3 is equals to 3 times 3 plus 4. So that is equals to 13. And e sub 4 is 3 times 4 plus 4, that is equals to 16. So our first fourth term of sequence is R, 7, 10, 13, and 16. Example number 2. B sub n is equals to negative 1 raised to the power of n plus 1 times 1 over n. So, we are asked to give the sixth term. So, again, we need to change the value of our n. So, b sub 1, that is equals to negative 1 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 1 over 1, that is equals to negative 1 raised to the power of 2 times 1, that is equals to 1. And b sub 2, that is equals to negative 1 raised to the power of n 2 plus 1 times 1 over 2, that is equals to negative 1 raised to the power of 3 times 1 half, so equals to negative 1 half. So b sub 3, that is equals to negative 1 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 times 1 over 3, and this equals to negative 1 raised to the power of 4 times 1/3, that is equals to 1/3. So that was our third term of the sequence. So our fourth term of the sequence, we need to change the value of n to 4. So that is equals to negative 1 raised to the power of 4 plus 1 times 1/4, that is equals to negative 1 raised to the power of 5 times 1/4. So that is equals to negative 1/4. Next is b sub 5, that is equals to negative 1 raised to the power of 5 plus 1 times 1 over 5, that is equals to negative 1 raised to the power of 6 times 1 over 5 is equal to 1 over 5. And the last term with b sub 6 is equals to negative 1 raised to the power of 6 plus 1 times 1 6 equals to negative 1 raised to the power of 7 times 1 over 6, that is equals to negative 1 6. So our first sixth term of a sequence are 1, negative 1 half, 1/3, negative 1/4, 1/5, and negative 1/6. Write the formula for the n term. So the given are 1/2, 1/4, 1/6, and 1/8. So a sub 1 is 1/2, a sub 2 is 1/4, a sub 3 is 1/6, and a sub 4 is 1/8. So to find the So as we can see, the denominator of the given sequence is are even numbers, so we use the formula 1 over 2n. So 1 over 2 times substitute the value of n, which is 1 half, and second term is 1/4, and the third term is 1/6, and the fourth term is 1/8. So therefore a7 is equals to 1 over 2 times n, or a sub n is equals to 1 over 2n. And that would be all. Thank you.